If you're looking to customize email campaigns in TeamGate CRM, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to personalize your campaigns effectively using the software, and we'll also touch on some alternatives that might be better for your needs. First things first, let's dive into how TeamGate allows you to create custom email campaigns. You can start by selecting your audience from your contact list or by segmenting based on different customer characteristics like behavior, location, or past interactions. Customizing this audience is key to sending emails that resonate. This functionality is relatively straightforward in TeamGate, but can feel limiting if you're looking for deeper segmentation. Next thing, when it comes to designing your email, TeamGate offers a simple drag and drop editor. While this is good for those who prefer ease of use, if you're looking for more advanced design capabilities, you might find it lacking. You can add your own branding, images, and text, and it's easy to get a campaign up and running. But again, if you want a lot of creative flexibility or dynamic content within the email, TeamGate doesn't quite hit the mark. The third thing, automation. TeamGate allows you to set up automated email sequences, which is excellent for nurturing leads over time. You can trigger emails based on specific actions, like if a contact opens a previous email or visits a specific web page. But one area where TeamGate could improve is in the complexity of these automations. If you need more advanced workflows or conditional logic, other platforms might offer a bit more in terms of flexibility. The fourth thing, tracking. TeamGate does provide detailed email tracking, including open rates, click-through rates, and engagement analytics. This is great for monitoring your campaigns, but if you're really looking to dig into data analysis and make data-driven decisions, the reporting tools here might feel a bit too basic for more sophisticated needs. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. If you're looking for a CRM that really shines in email marketing, there are better alternatives out there. You'll find that software like ActiveCampaign, HubSpot, or even MailChimp offer more robust email marketing features. These platforms are better for advanced customization, more detailed segmentation, and highly personalized automations. But of course, it comes with a cost. Sometimes the extra complexity can feel like overkill depending on the size of your business. As we wrap up, here's the deal. I've got an exclusive offer for you. If you're set on TeamGate CRM, I'm sharing a link below where you can access an extended free trial, so you can test all the features I've mentioned here. However, if you're looking for something with better email campaign customization and more advanced options, I highly recommend checking out some of the alternatives I've discussed. The best part? They also offer free trials, and through our link, you'll get the best benefits that are only available to our viewers. So whether you stick with TeamGate or explore a better solution for your email marketing needs, the choice is yours. But if you're serious about customizing your email campaigns and getting advanced features, you won't want to miss the link in the description below.